Welcome back to Culberth Mini Projects. I'm here with my buddy Dave. He gave me a call. He's got a load of gravel here. He wants to get it spread around his shed, and then he's going to pour some concrete. So we got Burl over there. He's going to be supervising, Grandpa Burl. And Sheila's around here somewhere. Hey, Sheila, wherever you are, somewhere out in the yard, when you watch this video over and over, just know that Dave and I love you, and I love you just a little bit more.
Love you, Sheila.
Okay, so Dave explained to me that he's going to run gravel right around here. He painted a blue line for us. We're going to go right around here. It's about 5 foot on this perimeter. So, Dave, how big's your shed?
16 by 16.
Okay, so we're going to go 5 by 16, and then we're going to go 5 by 16. And I guess we're going to go 5 by 21, and then 5 by 16.
The puppies. Oh, you're so cute.
Doing as much as
Ashley loves me more than she loves Ken.
No, what would he do there?
No, I'm saying that she loves me more than she loves Ken is all I'm saying.
Oh, no.
No, I'm saying one day she might need help to smooth gravel out.
You never know. Yeah.
I'll remember.
See? Yeah.
You got an awesome wife.
Yeah, she's a good one.
The video this all.
Yeah. Then she goes home and makes the videos, puts them together.
You got a good wife.
Yeah, and she can cook.
And she's got a good husband.
Yeah,
And
she's okay.
I will be honest. I do have a good husband.
Yeah.
He might fight me, but
Don't
he
tell
does
everybody.
love me.
Yeah.
He bought me a car.
He did buy you that Malibu. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Wow, dude, that's a step now. Ricky, you. Got all the gravel in. It feels pretty good. Dave's got a pile over here, and I've kind of made a mess of it. I'm going to kind of mound that up for him so it's in one select spot. He can use a wheelbarrow if he's got to touch it up, but I think he's ready for concrete, aren't you?
Heck yeah, I am.
All
Appreciate
right.
you, bud.
Awesome, man. Appreciate
Thank
you.
Lifeline.
Well, we'll find a house and I'll put gravel in.
Thanks for watching today. Please remember to like, subscribe, and hit those notifications for more videos.